Okay, guys, we are going to go tune the teal truck over at Just Tunes. He just called me and says he's ready for it to go on the dyno. So let's get this thing up to the dyno, get it tuned finally, and see what the ZL1500 makes. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. You just put it in drive, and then when you want to start downshifting, just hit the paddle and it'll automatically go in manual mode, but it does time out after like 10 seconds.
Tell me what gear.
Oh no, it won't tell you what gear.
Okay.
So what I would do is start off and then start in first and then work your way up. That's where we're at right now. If you look right there, it's belt slipping really bad. And this drive junkie front drive system, it's a pretty simple belt diagram. It goes down under the lower pulley, and it's only got one idler and the tensioner. And that's it. There's really nothing I can do on this thing to make it better. The belt, I mean, it's tight on there. You know, a factory ZL1, it sends a belt, it goes way over here, and then way back over here, and then back up. So I don't know if it's that's causing it, but it's got a green belt, it's got a grip tech pulley, it's got a DSX lower. I mean, there's nothing crazy going on here. It's just not liking the belt. So, but we're not complaining, because if the belt wasn't slipping, it would still be at. I mean, this thing would probably make 800. We're gonna go do our normal loop that we do when we go for a drive in one of these cars. A little extra weight in there makes it rub. Hit the paddle.
Man, that's awesome. Oh my God. Makes it perfect.
Oh yeah, it makes it drive so much nicer. Then you can control what it's going to do instead of just flooring it and praying that you're getting up in the ditch.
I'm in some gear.
Yeah, definitely, you know, after the tune, it makes a lot more power now. We were right at 760 to the rear wheels, and that was with some belt slip, as I was explaining to you earlier in the video on the dyno. So I think once we change the front drive system around, grip that we need. This thing's gonna make like over 800 the tire, which is pretty impressive.
That pops?
Yeah. Man, it's past beer 30. What's he doing?
You heard about some orange Corvette.
Yeah, probably. So,
woo! Excuse the shake cam.
yeah. Yeah, we're finally getting basically all the bugs worked out of this whole swap. The truck is at the point now where I think anyone could just hop in it and drive it and enjoy it. It's pretty amazing. Get the tires warmed up. Black marks back there.
It's running good now.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
I won't say how fast we were just going there, but
this thing
it gets up pretty good.
That truck next to us was sitting still for a second.
Yep. You'll get that on them bigger jobs. So look everyone, the alignment's good now, the gauges work. So I don't want to hear no one griping in these videos now. We're not logging, truck's tuned. Why are we going so slow up here, people?
All back down to the speed
like
limit.
A damn pontoon boat looking like it's gonna fall off the trailer up there.
Yeah.
Hey, get some video from the back when I do that. At
Okay.
least black marks. Alright, ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just on the highway.
Yeah, we're doing 60 when we start. Oh.
Man, this thing slams you in the seat.
Shifts good though, don't it?
Yeah.
Like it.
Like it's just like the Camaro.
As soon as I hit the paddles, it shifts.
We just been pacing this old man. He's probably pissed.
No, he's probably loving it. He's probably like, gosh dang, look at that Chevrolet pickup. I had one of them back 30
All right, you
years
want to do
ago.
another one? Get some black ones. Oh, yeah. That was a good 100 foot at least.
That was a good one. Nitto, you might as well send us another pair because we're going to go through this.
We got about 185 miles on these.
We do. Yeah. Yep.
One burnout?
One burnout? Yeah, just one burnout. Rolling, like 5 rolling burnouts now, but
Yeah.
one dead stop burnout.
Man, it's awesome. I couldn't imagine another 300 horsepower.
Well, we're fixing to find out.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like the suspension's broken in though, because like it's not as bouncy as it was, you know, when we first got it done. Like
It feels good.
Like people, this is a slam truck. Like it's tuck and tire, and I mean it's really no more bumpier than my Audi going through here.
Yeah.
And it's an old truck. I mean, it's just things aren't as tight on the body as say a brand new car.
Yeah.
I mean, we got, you know, 30-year-old dash here. You know, it rattles every now and then, but that's kind of what you're going to get on these trucks.
Not a squeak outside, though.
Yep. Rear end's getting broke in.
Oh, yeah. It's loving it. I think this thing could do a 9.
Yeah,
It runs pretty damn good.
It'll definitely run 9. I got no doubt about it. It'll run a 9. I bet the 16130 on this truck, whenever I do it, will probably be in the mid 5s.
Yeah.
It may even be low 5s, honestly. It feels every bit as fast as a built ZL1 with these same mods. Like, there's really no difference to it. The weight's going to be about the same. The gear ratio in it is a tad bit better than a ZL1. It's a 308 versus a 285 in a normal stock ZL1. So the transmission's definitely on point, a little bit better.